Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a crucial topic for workplace safety personal protective equipment or PPE. Whether you're working on a construction site, in a lab or any environment with potential hazards, PPE is your first line of defense. Let's start with head protection. Hard hats are essential for guarding against falling objects and impacts. For lighter tasks, bump caps offer protection from minor bumps, and in high-risk areas like construction or manufacturing, helmets are a must. Next, eye and face protection. Safety glasses shield your eyes from flying debris and dust. Goggles step it up a notch, providing better protection against chemical splashes and impacts. For face protection, face shields come in handy, especially when used with goggles or glasses. And for welders out there, welding shields are crucial to protect against radiation and sparks. Hearing protection is another key area. Earplugs are great for reducing noise in loud environments, while earmuffs offer even greater noise reduction, often used alongside earplugs in extremely noisy workplaces. Now, respiratory protection. Dust masks are perfect for filtering out non-toxic particles. For more serious hazards, respirators like N95S half-face and full-face masks protect against harmful dust, fumes and gases. And for extreme environments, SCBAs are vital, providing breathable air in toxic or low oxygen conditions. For hand and arm protection, disposable gloves protect against contamination, while chemical-resistant gloves made of nitrile or latex guard against hazardous substances. For handling sharp objects, cut-resistant gloves are a lifesaver. And don't forget heat-resistant gloves for welding or hot surfaces, and electrical insulating gloves for electric shock protection. Foot and leg protection includes steel-toe boots to shield against falling objects, rubber boots for wet environments, and anti-slip shoes to prevent falls. Electrical hazard boots are also essential for reducing electric shock risks. Body protection ranges from coveralls for general protection to lab coats for chemical safety and high-visibility clothing to stay seen in low light. Flame-resistant clothing is also crucial for high heat or electrical work. For fall protection, harnesses, lanyards, lifelines and safety nets are essential when working at heights. Lastly, skin protection. Sunscreen for outdoor work and barrier creams for chemical exposure are simple yet effective. Remember, PPE is your shield against workplace hazard. Always ensure proper training, maintenance and usage of PPE to stay safe. Stay protected and stay safe. Thanks for watching.